Okay, well done, guys. God bless you. Okay, for those who have been in our previous paid class or pro class as it is, you already have access to these particular apps. So you can go to your various pro classes, okay, and get this, okay. But if you are new, if you are very new and you have not been here before, you have not joined our pro class before, you need these two particular apps, okay. You need Motion Leap and you need Meta Voicer, all right. So I will need you to go get them. If you don't, if you are not in a pro class, go to your Play Store and look for them, okay. Like I told you yesterday, you can actually go get them on Play Store and do the paid the paid one, yes, where you're going to be subscribing some amount of dollars for you to use the advanced features in there. But then if you are not interested in doing that, okay, you can actually go sign up right now. The pro class is just 2,000 naira, okay. You just need to go and get yours, okay. You need to actually pay your 2,000 naira, just 2,000 naira, okay. It's not much. 2,000 naira they can actually use to finish a bottle of drinks inside one can food whatever, right, fast food house. You can actually spend 2,000 naira for nothing in there. 2,000 is nothing, seriously. But you can spend it right now for quality knowledge, okay, where you're going to have over 300 pro apps and pro courses waiting for you in our pro classes, okay. So if you paid now, you're going to have access to these apps so they can go get them. Now if you're already there, if you're in the new class now, pro class 7 right now, okay, after this class I'm going to drop them there for you, all right. I'm going to drop them there for you. But if you have not joined at all, then you need to pay to go in there to have the pro version. But if in case you're interested in the pro version, you want the free one, no problem, go ahead and get them from Play Store and then you are good to go. Is that okay? God bless you. So I need to go get them while we go straight to class for tonight. Let's go to class. God bless you. Okay, so we are here on ChatGPT. Obviously you are used to most of these things, okay, so I won't be talking too much about them. Okay, so I ask you to go sign, except you're a new student, okay, except rather you are new here. Come to your browser, any of your browsers of your choice, okay, and go type chat.openai.com. Do that and sign up with them, okay. When you do that, when this interface pop up, okay, come to your message area and then you go to type something like this, okay, which I've already typed. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do this for me, okay. Now you can actually use my prompt or you can use another kind of prompt, okay. Ask ChatGPT, say give me a short love story with a little bit of emotions, sadness, heartbreak and a happy ending. Is that clear? And I said the actors should be Ogono, that is the main guy. Actress should be Tare. Okay, I'm actually using my town language, my tribal names, okay, kind of. Then I say location, Arogo, Nigeria. I say use Christian language. See what I'm doing? You have to instruct ChatGPT to do the right thing. If you don't instruct him well, you go to write any other things for you. What you put in garbage and stuff like that, right? So and I say, okay, add scripture from the Bible where needed. Is that clear? And I said consider strong SEO while you write. SEO is search engine optimization. The reason why you write, and most times or when you do some kind of like videos and your videos are not going viral, because you omitted this part, SEO, search engine optimization. Now if you don't have strong SEO, people when they are searching for your stuff, they're not going to see them. All right, so make sure you have strong SEO to back up your write-ups and your videos. Then I said 200 words only, okay. Now you can reduce these words, you can increase these words, it depends on you. All right, so having done all of that, just click on this for ChatGPT to start writing for you. So we're going to write that for you in a matter of seconds, okay. So that is going on, right? Okay, all right, you can see that, right? Okay, good. So ChatGPT is done. 200 words has been given to me, okay. All right, now having done this, the next I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do is this. I'm going to say suggest accurate scenes and images, okay, for the story. You see that? I'm going to say for the story. Now he has written a story. I'm going to send this again for him to start giving me scenes and images that can be found in this story. Now remember, whatever ChatGPT gives to you, okay, it's left for you to also to edit. If there are things you don't like, okay, remove them. If there are things you like, okay, leave it, okay, just like that. So you keep on doing that, all right. So this is what ChatGPT gives to me. You can see scene 1, he gave me a scene 1, and he gave me the image that follow. Scene 2, the image follow like that, until we get to what? Scene 5, okay. So we have 5 scenes scenes in this story. Okay, 5 scenes in this story. So what we're going to do next is to go now, first of all, to let's do the first thing. Let's go now. This story that has given to me, I'm going to copy it like this. Just copy it. That is copy. You can see where I click, right? That is copy. So anytime you want to copy, just click that to copy it. When you copy it, now we're going to go to where we can generate, turn this to voice. Okay, it's in text form, right? I'm going to now go and use my meta voicer to turn it to voice. Follow me as we do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've copied the voice, so the text, now the script. So I'm going to now use my meta voicer app to turn it to voice. Okay, I don't want to use my voice. I can use my voice, but I don't want to use my voice. Okay, in this particular video, I'm not going to use my voice. I'm going to use AI to say those words for me, right? But then please feel free. Okay, maybe in the pro class, if you are coming to the pro class, I'm going to show you how you can also use your own voice to say stories like this, because sometimes it's good to localize some things, because there are some names you're going to put in there. I'm going to paste this name first of all. There are some names we mention here, since they're tribal names. Okay, AI will not be able to mention them accurately or very well, but if you use your own voice, okay, they're going to mention it properly. You're going to mention it properly in the way you're supposed to mention that. And again, the pace of saying those words, okay, all that matters a lot. Okay, so but in this video, we're going to use AI in a pro class. By the time we come into pro class 2 is going to be starting by next week. We're going to use we're also going to see how we can use our voices, okay, to do some certain things. All right, very good. Now what I'm going to do now is I've pasted the whole thing here. I'm going to take my time to edit and add some few things and remove some few things, and I'm going to come back and move on to other things. All right, so wait for me, let me edit. Alright, so guys, I've been able to edit it. Okay, I've edited and I've tried to add 1 or 2 things to it. Okay, at the end of all of everything. Okay, I've done that. Now the next thing we're going to do now is to look for the speaker, right, the narrator. So we're going to click here to select the kind of voice you need. Now this is a pro app, so you can write as many number of words you can write, but for the paid one, you are limited to a particular number of words, except you make a payment. Okay, alright, so when you open up like that, you're going to see male, female, free, all, emotional, all that stuff. All right, okay, I want to try and see if I can use a female voice. So let's go to female and listen to like Abigail. Let's listen to Abigail.
Hey, I'm Abigail. My hobbies are reading books and working.
Okay, I think Abigail voice is okay. All right, so you just go through the one you feel like using and then use it. Okay, you can use any of the voice. So I'm going to click on Abigail. I'll just click on the body like that, and then you can see it's here right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is come down here. Since if you are sure you have edited it, please, when you're editing, okay, make sure there are no stickers, there are no stickers or emojis or whatever, okay, in your story, in your script. Don't do that, okay, because AI are going to call whatever it sees there. All right, so mind the way you write, okay, because they're going to call it, like if you're writing a number, be careful, because they may just call the numbers in millions. Maybe you're calling a phone number, they just call the stuff in a funny way. So be very careful. Okay, having done this, okay, what we're going to do is to click on save, and then it will go to be saving and then convert the text to voice for us. Okay, so let's click on the save, then put your project name. Let me call it love story. All right, love story. Then I'm going to write mp3 because it's in voice form. All right, sorry, mp3. Then click on OK. All right, it will be synchronizing it for you. Wait for it. All right, so the next we're going to do now is to come to use this app to generate our images that have been created for us, that have been actually scripted for us by ChatGPT. All right, so we're going to open it, and these are going to look like. Okay, so when it comes up, just click on this to cancel this, and then we're going to use the text to image section of it. All right, you're going to just use this particular portion of it. So when you click on text to image, it's going to open this for you. All right, so we're going to use this to generate those images. So let me go copy the first image and put it here. All right, and then we're going to go. Just follow me. Hold on. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT where the script has been given to us. So we're going to copy the first image. You can see a siren, just copy it like this. A siren. Okay, just copy. Don't worry. Don't read. Okay, I've copied it. So I'm going to go to the other app. Okay, the motion leap, and then generate this particular scene for us. So I'm here right now. So I'm going to paste that right up here. Just paste it here like this. Paste it. Okay. So when you have pasted, what we're going to do now, I want to use I want to use animation, all right, for this story so that children can like this story, okay? You can use cartoon, you can use animation, but I want to use animation, okay? So animators, just click on animators as your style, okay? So there are different styles here. You can see that there are different styles, but I'm using animated, okay? And now I'm going to use animated, I think, all through, right? So just click on accept and generate. So wait for it to generate the images. All right, so the images have been already generated, so you can see very fast. If your internet is strong, it takes just a short time to do. They can see the images, okay, that was generated. Now if you don't like these images, okay, you can keep on generating other, you can regenerate, okay, can generate more for this particular story. Now my suggestion is this: by the time you generate images like this, okay, for a particular scene, have as many images as possible, so that you may need them to maybe to interchange or something, right? So have as many as possible. Is that okay? All right, so this is what we're going to do. All right, so just hold on. All right, I'm done with the first scene, so I'm going to put the second scene now. All right, just paste it like this, and I'll be very careful because the English language, okay, these guys are not familiar with these names, okay? So you can decide to like put something like for the orgono, in the place of orgono, okay, I was just going to do something like this in bracket. I was just say male, so that the stuff with the algorithm will recognize him as a male, okay? So orgono is a male, while Tara is a female, so I'm going to put male there. All right, in brackets, all right, so that they will generate a male for me. And then the place of Tara, you can see place of Tara, I'm going to put female, okay, because you use a name that they're not familiar with, so they wouldn't know whether it's a male or female. So be very careful with that, okay? So make sure you get that right. Okay, so having done this, I'm still using the same style, okay? I'm using the same style, okay, animated. Click on accept, generate. All right, so let's see what comes out of that. Dark clouds gather in the sky, the wind picks up its pace, okay? Let's see. Now make sure your internet is strong, okay? This is what I'm getting. I don't like what I'm getting. I have to look for, I don't like this, okay? I just have to look for something, so just give me some time. Guys, I'm having a second thought of using cartoons, okay, the cartoon style, okay, and I'm generating this stuff, okay, from the cartoons, wherever. I think I can make use of something of this nature. Don't worry, maybe in the pro class, I'm going to look for something that's going to be more beautiful than this, okay? All right, so let me get more of this, okay? Okay, guys, there is something I want us to do too, all right? I need us to come to Canva, right? Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, this can help, all right? So we're going to like come here and type videos, all right? Let's say YouTube video. Just type something like YouTube video. YouTube video. Then I'm going to show you something. I want to say we can like use Canva Pro text to image just to generate some beautiful image, because I think that of Canva going to be sharper, kind of like stuff like that. I don't know. So let's try to go. All right, 16:9. Let's take this. And let's see the scene going to give to us. Hold on, give it time. All right, so when you are using YouTube videos, okay, it's actually 16:9. You can see the ratio, right? 16:9. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click on the plus sign here down there. You see what I click, right? Then I'm going to come down here, click on apps. All right, go to apps, and then just come over somewhere here under your apps. We're going to look for text to image, okay? Look for text to image. Go to your apps, okay, this one. You're going to see this one, text to image. Click on it, and then we're just going to say text to image. All right, okay, we do not have it before, so hold on, just give me some time. Let me arrange. Okay, this is it. Just click here. Just click it here. All right, then you're going to take you straight to this particular interface. All right, so you're going to copy whatever you have, the images that have been given to us. Going to have them here, and let's see how beautiful this one going to be. All right, so just follow me. Let me hold on. Okay, so what you do is this, all right? Here you're going to type I'm going to paste the stuff I copied from ChatGPT, right? I'm just going to paste it there. All right, so after you have pasted it, okay, the next you're going to do is to pick a style, the style you want. Now, because you want it to be in some kind of like what do you call it, cartoon format, all right, take this one, take dreamy, all right, click on dreamy, and then you're going to come to aspect ratio. Since we're using you can use square anyway and then adjust it, okay? I think square will always going to give out something more bigger, right? So let's take square and then click on create your image, and let's wait for it. It's going to give you 4 options. You can see 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes going to be given to us, okay? 4 options, and you can decide to use all the 4, or you can just take one of them, okay? And you are good to go. Follow me. Okay, so as you can see, this is what this is what they call it. Let me go back there so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, this is what they give to us, okay? You can see. All All right, so if you don't like this, you can create again. Okay, you can create again. Since you are using Canva Pro, if you are using Canva Pro, you can have as many as you want. Okay, so let's go back here again. If you come down here, this thing that they give to you, just take it to this edge, all right, and drag to fill up the square. I'm sorry, the workspace that is given to you. You can see it. Okay, it becomes bigger, stuff like this. Okay, you can adjust it. Okay, you can just drag down like this. Okay, to make it nice. All right, I think you can take that view. Is it not clear? Now, because I'm using Canva Pro, there will be no watermark attached to it. Okay, so this is the guy. Okay, talking about the guy. So you can just take this one, just click and download it, or you can just decide to like screenshot. Okay, just drag down like this and click on your screenshot like this. Okay, screenshot it, and then when it comes up, you just edit it. Okay, just edit like this, crop it rather, just crop it like this. Okay, crop it so that it will be easier for you to work. If you wait for download because of internet, maybe sometimes it may take a longer time. All right, so I'm telling you can use also your Canva Pro as another option to generate images. Okay, free images that can give you nice stuff for you. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Is it clear? All right, guys, now because the time is fast spent, okay, I wouldn't like to go there to like make them to motion to videos as it is. So I'm going to come to CapCut, right, and then start a new project and then work on it. Okay, so go to the photo section and then pick. You can, like I told you, can either use the one from Motion Leap or use the one from what do you call it, maybe you can use the one from Canva Pro. Okay, either one you like. Okay, go ahead and use it. Okay, but then let me see what I get. Okay, let's see let's see what mixes of this one here. Okay, you can see the photos that I just generated, right? A lot of them I just generated. Now, like I told you, it's better you generate as many as possible so that you won't be short of images, okay, for a particular scene that you want to talk about. So let's just pick one first. Okay, let's just pick one and then start with that. Okay, I won't take that. Let me take something like this, okay, to start with. All right, so this one going to come to the scene. Okay, now if you want it to be in this format, you have to use this format. You can see this format we're taking. This is all 1:1 format. All right, the aspect ratio is called 1:1. But if you don't want this kind of aspect, okay, aspect ratio, you can click on it, come down here. All right, come down here, click on edit. You click on crop, and then you go to see different aspect ratio here. 9:16 is for Instagram, 16:9 is for YouTube, 1:1 is what we have right there, and the other ones you are free to use. So let's assume you want to use 16:9. Click on 16:9 and then drag to fill up the space you want to cut out, okay, or you want to mix this up. Exactly. So you can decide to probably zoom it or zoom in, whatever, right? So when you're done with that, you click on this to okay it. But I don't think I like it like this because I'm already having background here. All right, a black kind of a space there. You can see the space here, up and down. I don't want that to show. But if you really want that to go ahead, right? Why not? You can just go ahead. But make sure whatever you use, okay, the same aspect ratio should be used all through. All right, so when you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is to click this to remove the watermark of CapCut. Okay, delete it here. Delete it. Now when you have done this, okay, at least if this first one is okay, come down to audio and then go and get the voice that we created. Remember, we created the scene, right? We converted the scene to voice before. Click from my device and then come down and look for it wherever you have it. Okay, pick it up and then you are good to go. I think I tag it as something love something. Hold on, let me search for it. Okay, I've seen it. This is a love story MP3. So just play it.
Are you a child of God?
Okay, so that is it. So what we do is just click on plus, and then it's already, you can see it's here. Look at the line for the music. Click on it. It's going to give you white surrounding, right? Very good. Now what you can do is to increase the volume. Increase the volume to you can maybe to 1,000 or maybe to somewhere. Okay, it depends on your taste. Okay,
are you a child of God struggling for?
Okay, so that is it now. So now what we have done is you're going to be listening to it. You play it, you listen to it, and you go and start picking the scenes you want, just like that. By the time you are done with that, if you want it to turn to auto captions, okay, if you want it to get auto captions, as in maybe when it's talking, okay, you want to see write-ups here, you first of all have to export it. Because the voice did not come with the video. Exactly, you have not made a video, so the voice is separate. So you go to export it. After I bring all the photos and everything, export it. All right, export it by clicking here, and then bring it back again. Go back and click on new project and bring it back the video with the voice entered, and then you can now go and click on what text. Let me show you what you're going to click. You're going to click on text like this because for now you cannot generate auto caption. See auto caption, you can't generate it because the voice is not in the video. Is it clear? So go export it, bring it back, and then click on auto captions, and then you can start seeing the write-ups here. Is that okay? So guys, by the time I'm done with your video, I'm going to show you the final result. Is that okay? God bless you. Have a wonderful night over there. I'll see you in pro class by next week Monday. Okay, so we can do more solid stuffs, okay, together. God bless you. Bye bye for now. All right, hello guys, let me quickly show you this. Okay, some persons have come to my DM and said, please sir, show us how Pika Labs look like. This is how Pika Labs look like. Okay, just come here, just type pika.art rather, just type this. Okay, and then this interface is going to pop up. Now what you do is you go to get what is called Discord. Okay, those of you who have been in the class before, you already know what Discord is. Okay, just click on join beta and it will lead you to Discord. All right, like this, it leads you to Discord. Now because I already have Discord, okay, I'll just click on never mind. But if you don't have Discord, you go to sign up. All right, and then you're going to enjoy this, okay, for yourself. So just click on never mind, all right, like this, and then it will lead you to this interface. Okay, this is how it will look like. So you can take any of the community, you can join any of the community. Okay, you can this chat, this community. Okay, you can join any of them. You can also join what they are generate 1, generate 2. There are so many of them. For example, I want to do generate 4. Just click on generate 4. All right, then what you do, put your image here, your message here. Okay, let me give you a sample. Just follow me. Hold on. All right, so guys, when you want to use Pika Lab, right, what you do is just put your question here, all right, and then the first you're going to do is to click on your number here and put your slash. Okay, that's the first you're going to put. Then here you're going to type create. All right, type create. When you want to type create, click on this bar, click on this bar, right, to open space, create space, and then go see prompt. Yeah, prompt has joined. Now what we'll do is I'm going to go to my dashboard, where because I've already copied my distance. So I'm going to click on dashboard. All right, click my dashboard, and then I'm going to click on this. Okay, so that is it. So having done that, I'm going to click on this to send my message. Now wait for it to generate my own. Few seconds time, it's going to give my own. Okay, remember others are also writing, so you wait for your own patiently. All right guys, so my own has been generated. Look at it, this is my username, so this is it. Okay, so if you want to download, just click on it, click on the video, then allow it to come up. Okay, this is it, right? Then place your finger on it, press it down a bit, and then you're going to see this. Okay, click on this to save it. All right, click on that to save. Now if you don't like what you have gotten, all right, what you can do again, you can just come back again. All right, look at it, just come back here. If you click on this, it will generate another one for you. If you click on this, you can edit your write-up. Okay, you can edit your write-up. For instance, just click this, and then this will pop up, right? To edit it. Okay, maybe you can add some other things you want to add. Let's say I'm gonna stand it by his fishing boat, repairing net as Starry walks by. Okay, okay, repairing his net. Okay, in a river. Okay, let me put in a river in Nigeria. Okay, let me put that something like that so that it will localize the whole thing. Okay, in a river in Nigeria. Okay, in a river in Nigeria. I think that's the message correct. Okay, Nigeria. Okay, so when you have done that, if you have edited it, just click on submit again. All right, just click on submit, so it will generate another one for you again. Okay, so that will generate something else for you.